Hello friends, today I am here to talk about Sunny Singh, one of the assistant managers that we have in my span. He takes care of UBH unit and Comet for behavioral health claims. If I have to talk about Sunny Singh or associate a word with Sunny, it would be passionate. I think Sunny is extremely passionate in his work, in his delivery, and he exuberates passion in the way he handles things, the way he manages the project, the way he manages the inventory, and how he feels about his people. So he's one word I think for Sunny would be passionate. One quality that comes to my mind whenever I think about Sunny, I think he likes to be abreast of everything. He likes to be updated. He wants to know the minutest detail which affects his process, which affects his business, which affects his work. So I think that's a very positive quality that he brings onto the table. To talk about funny incidents for Sunny, I think Sunny is funny. So that's one on the go. But I think two things that happen, and one is that he takes care of rollovers, as you all know, from in the claim side of the world. Rollover of claims is very critical and it impacts the aging. So any claims which are lying in the 9-day or a 10-day queue and they roll over, it kills us from an aging perspective, and he's in charge to ensure that rollover does not happen. And he kind of walks to the desk of people and asks them to ensure that the claims are done. So he's very he's famous, and he's called by people as Rollover Baba. And the other funny thing that I want to talk about him is he's kind of a duplicate Sardar. I'm sorry to say that about him in this forum, but why I say that is whenever he tries to, for example, we were in Goa for an offsite and we were talking about the symbol, the religious symbol for Sikhism, that's a khanda. He says it's called Kanda. So I was like shocked. I said, you're a duplicate Sardar. So he tries to talk in Punjabi, make him speak in Punjabi, and you'll realize what I'm talking about. Apart from being Sardar, I think both of us have a training background, and getting that training element into our operations, into having that training experience brings in a very different perspective of how you run your operations, how you manage it. Because training, when I was in training, what I remember of that, and recently I and Sunny were having a conversation on that piece as well, is that experience of ownership. We own the employee from the day the employee comes in, and from the day the employee gets certified and moves on to the production floor. That hand-holding, that entire ownership of that duration, of the employee during that duration, makes you learn a lot. So that training experience brings that edge onto you. And when you move into operations, and if you are, if by chance you are in the same business, that added product knowledge gives you an edge and builds that credibility in front of your people. So I think training was one experience that both of us have in common, and that's really great. I would rather say we are fortunate to have Sunny on our team, and that's because he brings in that kind of passion that I earlier spoke about on the table, and the way he manages things, the way he likes to keep himself abreast of what is happening around him. He focuses on on development of his people. He thinks he has that training mindset that he gets along with him. So all these factors, I think, make him a very valuable resource to our team, and he's a great resource who works on the UBH unit side of the business. So I'm really glad to have him on board. I think, Sunny, one message for you, and I know that from a personal front perspective, you're getting married next month, so that's a big change in anybody's life, and I wish you all the best for that. But besides that, from a professional front, I think you're on the right track. You're doing the right things. I want you to keep your focus, be motivated, and spread that magic around you that you are doing, of motivation, of charm, of making people connect with the organization. You're on the right track, buddy, and I'm sure that in years to come you will definitely achieve and be more than what you are today.